But by sitting there, facing her ancestors, she was daring people to say any more ill of the dead.
Little ghost, you're listening. Unlike most, you don't miss a thing. You see the truth. I walk the halls invisibly. I climb the walls, no one sees me. No one but you. You've always loved the strange birds. Now I want to fly into your world. I want to be heard. My wounding wings still beating. You've always loved the stranger inside me, ugly, pretty.
And your mother will be there.
I did.
And she will pick you up and hold you tight and never let you go. Nothing can ever hurt you, and you will never feel afraid or alone again.
Oh, little ghost, you see the pain, but together we can make something beautiful. So take my hand and perfectly we fill the gaps. You and me make three. I was meant for you and you for me.
Damn your ego! Since you want having a son, you and me, your own flesh and blood. But you loved him, and he turned his back on her, murdering her and slandering her, condemning and disavowing me, so that others could forever do the same. I must always be seen as Henry's daughter, but in my heart, I can be something so much different, a mother.
You've always loved the stranger.
Elizabeth! Have you missed me?
Pretty.